Morning, guys. How we doing today? Working on the 62 T-Bird, getting ready to do the clutch fan and a new fan today.
What was the issue? Let's keep them updated.
Just clutch is not working, not spinning the fan fast enough. I don't think we have an overheating issue. So, just gonna get ready, start taking this stuff apart, get it out of my way. Oops, we don't got a half over here.
And we did fix the issue with the hood scraping on the cowl, so that's all done and taken care of for the customer. So now when he opens it, isn't even nasty popping. We just got news actually about an hour ago, and it's now, what time is it now? 7 something?
8:20.
Really? It's 8:20 already?
Yeah.
Damn, okay. Well, I mean, as you can tell, we've been busy at it, and we'll do a separate video on this one to keep you updated. Give us a few minutes. So Burnsy's going to take care of this one here and get it prepped. We got news that the fan is on its way, so it should be here any minute or so. We'll get that taken care of and have it done. And we'll get you guys all uploaded on the next one. And I think that's the last bit on this, if I remember right. What else did we have to do to this?
I think we kind of got a power steering gearbox problem, because when you turn it one way, it likes to fight and make a lot of noises. I think later on today, we'll be getting on the lift.
These feel a little loose to me. There's a lot more than a 1/4 inch of play.
It's not too shabby.
I mean, the belts don't look real bad, but I'm thinking from them, I would do a tighten, but that's just me. Let's just tighten them up a little bit first and see what we get from there. But of course, it's always up to the boss.
It's, oh, that's why. There's a lot of play.
Oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
So when I put everything back together, I'll make sure the belts are nice and tight.
Yeah, and that should.
And we'll take it for another test drive.
There we go.
So.
All right, Burnsy, thank you for your time. We'll keep you guys updated on this as soon as we get more parts in.
Yep. What's up, guys? Bobby just showed up. The new clutch fan.
Well, it's
the
just
new
a fan.
fan.
Look at that. Wait.
Clutch is right there.
Wait. Real deal.
Like these guys
Moco.
went
New
in the
old
bunker
stock. Yeah.
underground and picked this up.
Look at this. I bet you Chuck knows where that is, because he lived in Detroit.
But wait, there's more.
Is there?
There is, once I open the box.
Carefully.
God.
It's an NOS box, man. Ooh.
Yeah, that's not,
Oh my
that's
God,
not going
that
carefully.
really is absolutely beautiful.
Something in here is.
I know, right? Because it sure as all hell ain't me, not at my age anymore.
And you're probably going to need to spritz it with a little paint, because it's new old stock, so it's got a little rusty rust on it. Look.
Wow.
Real deal. New old stock.
Definitely have to throw a little paint on that guy.
But look at that.
That is cool.
That's the real deal, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm not even going to ask how you found that.
This place is called eBay. There's everything on there. You're very familiar with it, Mr. eBay.
Me? No. Quit lying.
The watch whore over here.
I am not a...
Yeah, the watch prostitute.
Thank you, that's a little bit better. Because I at least charge randomly.
You charge the random?
Yep.
Nice. Oh, it didn't come with a bolt? Oh, you bastards.
Got lock washers.
That's cute. It's supposed to come with bolts. Alright, so make sure this is the right bolt pattern, which it sure is. Yep, perfect.
Dead on.
Little paint, little bolt, a little
Alright.
unbolt. So you got this getting ready to come apart.
Yep.
And you said our power steering was our belts all
Yeah, we
sloppy?
already took a video of it.
Yep.
But it's...
Alright, boys. Carry on.
Talk to me that way. Alright, guys. Talked about putting a little paint over the 62 T-Bird fan. Came out wonderful. Front and back. What do you think, Bobby?
I like it. Looks way better than it did because it was kind of risky.
Yeah.
But it's good to go. It's good to go now.
Yeah,
It's better.
Kind of got a full shop here right now.
And as soon as the fan clutch, the bright one shows up, which shows up tomorrow afternoon, It might actually get here midday, so you might be able to knock that out tomorrow too.
That'd be cool.
Get that baby back together,
and
then we can get ready to put that on the lift and go over the rest of the stuff we need. You tightened up the steering belt already, right?
I haven't tightened it up yet.
Okay, but we know what it is. Okay.
Yes,
so
sir. Even the alternator belt was a little loose. Not as bad as the power steering, but once the new clutch fan and stuff goes in, everything will be nice and tight, up to spec.
Nice, and we'll get that done. I can test drive it, and we can put it on the lift. 62 Bird. I'll put it on your to-do list for tomorrow.
Little question mark.
When cart arrives.
Sounds
UPS. UPS comes around lunchtime, so.
nice, nice.
All right.
All right, guys.
There we go.
You guys have a good night. Until next time.